Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to copy anything on your server, on your account on Discord, easy and quick. First, hold on it like this, and here you will find copy text. Click on it, and here as you see it will be copied, and that's it. That's how to copy any message on your server, on your account, on Discord, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.